નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 1 of 11th chapter, Area and its Boundary of Standard 5th Mathematics. So let's start our chapter, isn't it? And this is going to be very good and very interesting chapter, because you will come to know many things from this chapter. And before starting our chapter, let me tell you, first of all, always keep your textbook and a rough book with you, as well as you must have a pencil also with you. Okay, so open page number 146 in your textbook, and let's start with whose slice is bigger. Whose slice is bigger on the page number 146. Parth and Ginny bought aam papad. Aam means mango. Here aam means mango. So Parth and Ginny bought aam papad, that is dried mango slice, from a shop. Their piece looked like this. So one of the piece, you can see in your textbook also, one of the piece is looking like this, second one is like this. Both could not make out whose piece was bigger. Both could not make out whose piece was bigger. You can see the shape of both the set is different, so they could not make out whose piece is bigger. Suggest some ways to find out whose piece is bigger. Discuss. A friend of Parth and Ginny showed one way, using small squares. The length of pieces A is 6 cm. Suppose, let me show you, this is piece A, this is piece A, this is 6 cm, and this is 5. Okay, so the length of the piece A is 6 cm and length of that width or height is 5 cm. For 6 squares of 1 cm can be arranged along its length. Now, before making you understand this question or before solving this, let me clear some things. In fact, in chapter 3, we already learned about the area and boundary, or we can say perimeter. How many squares? The name of the chapter is, third chapter is how many squares, in which we already learned area and its boundary, or we can say perimeter. So let me make you understand this thing. Suppose if there is a square of 1 centimeter breadth, this breadth and length, suppose this is a square having, now all these sides are 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, this is also 1 centimeter, this is also 1, and this is also 1 centimeter. It is a square. Now, if we want to think about the area, then what is area? See, this is its area. Okay, this is its area. And how to find out the area? Now, this is 1 centimeter is, then in fact the area, to find out the area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side. Now one side is 1 centimeter multiplied by this side 1 centimeter. Okay, or we can say length and breadth. 1 centimeter multiplied by m is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 centimeter, or square centimeter. cm means centimeter. 1 square centimeter. So area of this square having 1 centimeter side, each side, then the area for the square, area of square is equal to 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter. Remember that. And the boundary is called perimeter. So let's say the boundary, see, this is 1 centimeter plus this boundary 1 centimeter, that is 1 plus 1 2. This is also 1 centimeter, 2 plus 1 3. This is also once again 1 centimeter. So this is 3 plus 4. So boundary is 4 centimeter. Boundary is 4 centimeter, but the area is only 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter. Okay. So if there is a square and its sides are 1 centimeter each, then the area of that square is 1 square centimeter. Remember, 1 square centimeter. Okay. Now let's go for this. Let's solve this. Here you can see what is to do. First of all, a friend of Parth and Guinea showed one way using small squares. The length of piece A is 6 centimeter. So 6 square of 1 centimeter can be arranged along its length. See, it is 6 centimeter. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 centimeter. So we can use 6 squares. We can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares of 1 centimeter each side, 1 centimeter each. And the width of piece A is 5. See, you can see the width 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares along with its side. So 5 squares can be arranged along with its width. Now, altogether, how many squares can be arranged to it? We know how to find out how many squares we can arrange to it. Then it is very easy to find out. This is 6, this is 5. 6 5s are 30. So altogether, how many squares can be arranged on piece A? Then we can write 30 squares. Total 30 square can be arranged of 1 centimeter side on this one, isn't it? Total 30 piece. Okay. Now, so area of piece A. Now, you can see all these 30 squares are of side 1 square centimeter each. This is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. Okay. In this square, the sides are 1 centimeter each. So, the area of this small square is 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter, 1 square. So, every total 30 piece, we can add 30 piece. So total 30 square centimeter, the area of piece A. So the area of piece A 30. Why? Because we can arrange 30 piece of 1 square centimeter, isn't it? So the area of piece A is equal to 30 square centimeter. 30 square centimeter, isn't it? Now, in the same way, find the area of piece B. Now, we have piece B is there. You can see the length of piece B is 11 centimeter and the width of piece B is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter, isn't it? And I make these parts 1 centimeter part. That means those are 11 parts, and here 1 centimeter part. That means 1, 2, and 3 parts. And now, if we want to find out the area of this square, that is piece B. Piece B. If we want to find out the area of piece B, then what shall we do? We should find out how many squares of one square centimeter. How many squares of area 1 square centimeter can be arranged in this. And to find out that, what we should do, we should draw these lines. So draw like this and like this. See, I am not doing very perfectly, otherwise it will take some more time. That is why I am doing roughly. So now, how many squares are there? How will you find out? How will you find out total how many squares are there? Yes, it is length multiplied by breadth. Total, so 11 multiplied by 3. So in this piece B, the area of total squares are 11 multiplied by 3, that is 33. 11 3s are 33, and that is why in the same way find the area of piece B. Then the area of piece B is equal to 11 multiplied by 3 is equal to 33 square centimeter, isn't it? So I should write here 33 square centimeter. 33 square centimeter. So who had the bigger piece? How much bigger? Now, see, actually, Parth and Dini bought these two pieces. Now they don't know why, as the size, or we can say shape of this piece are different, so they could not find out whose piece is bigger. That is why we find out the area of this piece. So the area of piece A is 30 square centimeter and area of piece B is 33 square centimeter. So we can say piece B, the area of piece B is bigger. Why? Because it is 33 centimeter and the area of piece A is 30 square centimeter. So we can say who had the bigger piece. We don't know exactly who is holding which piece. That is why I am writing the area of piece B is bigger. That in such way I am writing. So area of piece B is bigger. Now how much bigger? Then the area of piece B is, see, how much bigger? Suppose area of piece B is, now how much bigger? Then we should deduct, say 33 centimeter minus, it is 30 centimeter square is equal to 3 square centimeter. So the area of piece B is 3 square centimeter big, isn't it? How much bigger? 3 square centimeter. Now there is next activity is also there, cover with stems, but we will discuss that in the next part. By this time, just you try to understand this one. What is area? Try to understand through this. What is area? How we can find out this type area of such rectangles and squares by drawing 1 square centimeter boxes, isn't it? So you try to find out, try to understand these things, and in the next part, by this time we are ending this part. In the next part, we'll start with cover with stems on the page number 147. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.